With increasing conflicts between restaurants and food delivery platforms, the National Restaurants Association of India has approached the Competition Commission of India with allegations against food delivery platforms Swiggy and Zomato. It said the companies violated laws by charging high commissions and a lack of transparency with customer data.
So the National Restaurant Association of India, or the NRAI, has been having a bit of a conflict with online platforms Swiggy and Zomato for a while now over a number of issues, including deep discounting, the commissions that Swiggy and Zomato are charging to restaurants for delivery, and a number of issues around data. So some of the key allegations by the NRAI are that Swiggy and Zomato have put on really onerous terms, especially relating to commissions on restaurants for delivery. And that this has been particularly harmful during the pandemic when restaurants have become more and more reliant on delivery services, as obviously people are not going in for dine-in services. Swiggy and Zomato are actually preserving data of their customers and not sharing the data of the customers of these restaurants with them. The NRAI has previously alleged that Swiggy and Zomato have their own cloud kitchens and even some of their own privately owned franchises of different restaurants, which may be using this data. And they feel that this is creating an adverse competitive environment for them where they don't have the data of their own consumers, but Swiggy and Zomato have access to this data. What these restaurants are arguing is that some restaurants are paying more commissions and others are paying less. And in fact, restaurants that are paying more commissions are getting better visibility on these platforms, leading to better revenues. So Swiggy and Zomato have been largely mum on this specific issue so far, but the CCI had actually conducted a market study on e-commerce, including restaurants, hotels, and other online platforms in 2019-2020. And in this study, we found that online platforms had actually said that they were sharing the critical data relevant to improving services such as ratings and reviews, and they felt that the other data that customers shared with these platforms should not be shared with restaurants and other sellers because that would create a privacy issue. The CCI basically mentioned that the key issue between sellers and platforms, or in this case, restaurants and or food aggregators, was a difference in the negotiating power. So restaurants did not have the negotiating power to really negotiate on even terms with Swiggy and Zomato when it came to commission. The CCI also advised online platforms to set up basic frameworks for negotiations of commissions, dispute resolution, and discounting schemes, so that there could be some more transparency on how these numbers were being arrived at. So the next step for the CCI would be a small internal investigation of sorts, which will allow them to have a prima facie opinion on this complaint. If they feel, however, that there are no violations of competition law, they're likely to dismiss the case by the NRAI.